Today's recipe is one of my favorite things to bring to a party. It's a great appetizer because it's got pizza and garlic knots all combined to one. Some people would call it pizza monkey bread. This recipe combines two of the videos I've already done. Number one is the pizza dough recipe, and number two, it uses some of the pizza sauce that we've made. You only need a half recipe of the pizza dough and a full recipe of the sauce, and this is going to come out great. The first thing we're going to do is take 3 or 4 cloves of roasted garlic and smash it up and throw it in some butter, which is going to give it an amazing sweetness. But since these are garlic knots, we add another 3 or 4 cloves of raw garlic, which will cook a little bit but give it a punch. Then add 2 or 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Mostly this is just for color though. Then mix it all together. If it cools down too much, go ahead and throw it in the microwave for a couple of seconds to make sure that it's melted. After that, you're going to put it in the bottom of a cast iron pan, and this will keep that cheese from burning and sticking to it when you're done. Take a little bit of pizza dough and wrap it around a spicy Italian meatball, making sure to seal it up to keep the juices inside. Now it's going to take a bunch of these, and you don't have to fill them all. You could just do dough balls, which turns out pretty good too. Another good option though is taking some cheese, wrapping it up, which makes a nice big mozzarella cheese ball when you're done. Once you have the first layer down, go ahead and coat everything with a little bit of that garlic butter. Once you've done that, top it with your favorite toppings like pepperoni, olives, mushrooms. Then we add a little bit of sauce, or a lot if that's your thing. And finally, we coat it with some cheese. Now these are a little bit spread apart because as they proof, they're going to come in together. After you get the second layer on, a little bit more sauce and cheese, you're getting a lot closer to getting done. Now, if you want my sauce or pizza recipe, I've put it in the comments down below so you can check it out. And the final and most important thing is going to be the rest of that garlic butter. This is the star of the show. Our dough balls have had about a half an hour to proof, and the kettle is about 400 degrees. You want to be somewhere between 375 and 425. This needs to cook a lot slower than normal pizza because it's so thick. Let's go ahead and get it on. So it's been on there for about a half an hour, and it smells amazing. You can feel and smell the garlic coming right out of the kettle, and it's just about perfect. So we're going to take it off and bring it inside, let it cool for a bit, and it'll be ready to go. And just like that, we made awesome monkey bread with a little bit of pizza flavor in there, and it's going to be a big hit at your next party, whether it be for a Super Bowl or some other game or just some games with some friends. And as always, if you love videos about grilling, barbecuing, and smoking, don't forget to subscribe because there's a lot more to come. Today's recipe is great to take any... Today's